Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix we couldn't find a fingerprint sensor compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and the search for services. Now, just run it as administrator. And then once you're now here, just click any services and then type W on your keyboard. After that, just look for Windows Biometric. So once you find Windows Biometric Service, we're going to double click on it. And then in this part, for the startup type, make sure that it is set to automatic. So what we're going to do first is to stop the service status. So once you stop it, what we're going to do next is to go into our File Explorer and then click on this PC and then open your C drive. After that, go into Windows and then look for System 32. So once you find System 32, just double click on it and then scroll down and then look for WinBio. So just look for it right here. And then you would be able to see the WinBio database. So double click on that. And then we're going to delete this. So just click on delete. And then after that, click on do this for all current items. And then click on continue. So once you've deleted the files, what we're going to do next in this part is to start it again. So click on start. And then after that, restart your PC, and then that should fix your problem. However, if that did not work, so what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for Device Manager. So after that, click on Open. What we're going to do is to look for our fingerprint driver, which is under the Biometric Service Devices. So click on that, and then you should be able to see it right here. So right-click on it, and then click on Update Driver. After that, search automatically for drivers right here. And then once your device is updated, what we're going to do next is to click on close and then restart our laptop once again. After that, once it is done and that did not work, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for run and then click on open. After that, we're going to type gpedit.msc, which is right here, and then click on OK. After that, in this part, under the computer configuration, we're going to click on administrative templates and then click on Windows Components. After that, look for Biometrics, which is right here, so click on that. And then in this part, you will see this allow the use of biometrics. So we're going to double click on it. And then in this part, we're going to click on Enabled. And then we're going to click on Apply and then OK. After that, below this, so we're going to double click on that also. And then click on Enabled also. After that, click on Apply and OK. And then after that, what we're going to do last is to go into our search bar and then search for Windows Update. So open Windows Update right here. And then all you have to do is to check for updates. So if you see any available updates, just install it. And then once it is done, just restart your PC. And then after that, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.